Introducing McLaren's skid steer brush cutters. Our skid steer brush cutters are made with high quality components and wear resistant blades. We offer two series of brush cutters. We've got the Blade Runner and also the Blade Runner Pro series. This is our Blade Runner series of skid steer brush cutter. It is a gear drive unit. It's the best value out on the market you can get today. This is our open face unit here, and it is an economical unit. It's economical to operate, especially if you've got a machine that may not have a high flow. It's still gonna give you a good cutting in whatever field that you're in. We've got wear resistant blades, and it is a very heavy duty built frame. This is the McLaren Blade Runner Pro series skid steer brush cutter. It has a direct drive hydraulic motor set up on a heavy duty frame with wear resistant blades. You're gonna get high efficient and powerful cutting. We also have open face units and closed units on our Pro series. So if you would like a direct drive with an open face, we also have that available. Now, both can be good options depending on what you're looking to do with your brush cutter. The Blade Runner series, if you're mowing your own yards and you know what's out there. Now, if you're mowing in areas that you're not so sure what might be under the brush, I do recommend a direct drive unit, which is the Blade Runner Pro. And this is gonna prevent any type of damage when you have impact from an unknown object in the field. So if you need a brush cutter, call McLaren, go extreme.